Hello friends. Yeah, unfortunately I broke my SC55 with the wrong AC-DC adapter. I just look at this DC in 9 volts and put a random 9 volt adapter in, but I forgot that Roland reversed polarity, so you need the plus pole on the outside instead on the inside, and the generic AC-DC adapters in Europe are vice versa. So yes, what happened? The unit didn't go on, and when I plug in the correct AC-DC adapter, it lights on shortly and then directly switch off again, and there was no sign of life anymore. So then I open the unit, of course, and try to repair it. When I connect the correct adapter and switch it on, I notice that here's a diode that you can hardly see it. I will take a picture. It got very hot, so I instantly burned my finger on it. So yes, that was a sign for me that it is broken. Yes, and I just cut off the diode. From here. So these are my spare parts I ordered from China and they arrived today. So yes, I will solder one from these into the unit and we will see if it will be alive again. So in this picture we can see how the diode needs to be inserted, and this is the way I should solder it in. So let's do it. Of course, this does not look very professional, but I think for first test, if the unit works again, it should be fine. So this is the correct AC-DC adapter. It is volts and it has the correct polarity. Here we go. The unit is working again. Successful repair, I would say. That's great.